A new challenger has entered the mud-flat arena. Target spotted. The legendary monster blue crab. Taekwondo cat ready for battle. Round 1. Fight! Too fast. This crab has some serious moves. Wait, is it counterattacking? Watch out. Oh no, he got pinched. That's gotta hurt. Houston, we have a cat elite. He's flying high. But wait, the master is back. Focus mode activated. Black belt technique, the lasso snare. Okay. Oh. Mission accomplished. No more pinching today, mister. Crab, from the arena to the kitchen. It's time for the final reward. Legendary spicy marinated crab. One bite and you're hooked. Try this K-food!